Here's how to do a basic update. I am logged into Pearwood Skate Center. This is the WordPress dashboard. What we're going to do is we're going to change out an image. This is the dashboard. You know how to do all this. And I'm going to click on Pages, and I want to edit the home page. And since I don't want to scroll through here to find it, I'm just going to click View, click on the home page, and then right here, Edit Page. And we're going to change that big image at the top of the page. So here is the general way to edit. But if you scroll all the way down, down, Edit with ConerStone, click on that. ConerStone builds out the page. And it's still building. Okay, now here's the image we want to change. They have changed their hours, and they just send me a little image, and I'll replace it here. So what you do is, as you hover over things, you'll see that it'll show you what the section is. So like this is a section. We want to actually edit this classic image. So it says classic image. When you click on it, if you watch the left hand side, you'll see all the editable options of the image. So I'm going to click classic image because I want to edit the classic image area, not sections. And here's another image. So like each of these, if you clicked on it, you would see editables come up on this side of the screen. So, and right here, here's text. If you click that, the edit will come up. Image, images, buttons, all that. So I'm going to click this because we're editing this. All right, I'm clicking, and watch what happens on the left-hand side. I clicked, and there's our editable stuff. So I want to change this image right here. All I do is click this X, and it's gone. And I will search my computer for the image. Here somewhere. Let's go to desktop, and it is here. So I'm going to click open, and it's there. Now hit insert to post, and it's there. And here's like the styles. Right now it has the thumbnail. You can do none. That looks ugly. Put thumbnail back, or you can make it rounded. But that doesn't match everything else on this page, so you can make it into a circle, and that doesn't work. But some images do. So we're going to go back to thumbnail, and it is not a link, it's just an image. And right here, to center it, it's already in there right now, but if it's not centered, you need to put this code here, align center. So we have our image in place, and we're going to hit this little itsy bitsy tiny save button to save everything. If you ever do anything and you don't like it, just click out of the page without saving, and everything will go back the way it was. So there's really no way to undo things. Just don't save your changes. If you save your changes, then you're screwed. So we're done. We like this, hitting save, and when you hit save, you'll see a little banner right here that says awesome, content saved. So we updated that. We also need to update the schedule on the schedule page. So, and I don't like to just search through the dashboard for the pages, so I just go right here. This little button right here will let me view it in a browser. And I see my changes. They look great. Also, before we ever say we're done, we need to look at it in mobile view to make sure everything's centered and looks decent. So okay, it looks great. So now I'm going to go back, and I need to update the schedule page. So I just click on schedule here so I can find it, and then hit edit. And again, same thing. You'll see all this horrible looking code. I hate code. I always want to do whatever I can to not look at code or deal with it. So you click here, edit with Cornerstone, and again it's going to build out the page and pull up all the stuff again, and we're just going to do the same thing again. And this is images. This is, that looks funky. I don't know about that, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about images. So here we are. We're going to click it and watch the left hand side. It's going to show all of the editables. And click the X. And it is in my files now. So I click there, insert post. And there we are. Okay. And so the temporary hours are Monday, we're closed, Tuesday through Friday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So under here, they actually have it written out. So Friday is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Sorry, I'm clearing my throat. Anyways, don't worry about that. Anyways, so we have saved. We're saving. Hit save. Awesome, you saved. And then the last thing is look at the page. And this is actually centered. That's great. And it looks great, but not done yet. Make sure it looks good on mobile. Sometimes it looks good on desktop, but things aren't centered properly. And everything looks good. So now we're done. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. That's how to update an image.